Good evening everybody, a very good evening to all of you bachcho. We are back on the Creatrix channel with another job notification, and this time by one of the biggest PSUs, Bharat Petroleum. So BPCL has recently released vacancies about which you will come to know in this video. So beta, before we start the video, make sure that you like the video and share it with all your friends so that whoever is eligible should at least give it a try and they should not be left out without any opportunity. So guys, first of all, like the session and share it. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore till date. I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now beta, most of the students know all of this about me, but I say what I am proud of personally is the work that we are doing right here on this channel. We are providing the maximum number of free initiative. We are guiding maximum number of students who cannot afford coaching. And we are not only guiding them through the YouTube channel, but also guiding them through our free initiatives on Unacademy app. So make sure guys that you have the Unacademy app, that you install it and then you access all our free initiatives simply by unlocking them using the code AnkitESE. Very simple. Okay, so now let's move on to the vacancy details. So BPCL Kochi Refinery, okay, invites online application from graduate and diploma holder passed in the year 2019, 2020 and 2021. So remember my dear, it is only for those who have passed out from 2019, 2020 and 2021 and you have 1 year apprentice training under the Apprenticeship Act 1973. Okay, very difficult word to pronounce actually. So guys, those of you who have passed out in these years, you are eligible for this. Now, we have number of training places, 29 in chemical, 8 in civil, 15 in computer science, 9 in electrical and electronics, 12 in safety and fire engineering. You will get a monthly stipend of 25,000 whether or not you are from any branch. Okay, that means whichever branch you belong to, the stipend is common, 25,000. Your duration of training will be 1 year at the Kochi Refinery. Now, mechanical has the maximum number of vacancies, 35. Then instrumentation has 10 and metallurgy has 2. Okay. So almost all the branches have been asked to apply in this Kochi Refinery. Now, for diploma apprentice, 26 in chemical, 7 electrical, 9 mechanical, 6 instrumentation. And here your stipend will be 18,000 rupees per month. Okay. And what is the eligibility criteria? You need to have a graduate degree, full-time course in respective discipline from 60% marks. So you need to have 60% marks in your graduation. This is your cumulative total, not semester wise, cumulative total. And this criteria is 50% for SC, ST and PWD. Now for technician apprentice, first class engineering diploma, first class engineering degree actually. You need to have an engineering degree, full-time course in respective discipline with 60% marks, 60% marks from recognized Indian university. Okay. So the eligibility criteria is same for both the cases, graduate and technician. Now my dear, the age is 18 to 27 years as on 1st of August. Your age should lie in this bracket on 1st of August. Now, reservation for SC, ST, OBC will be followed, okay, based on the guidelines under Apprentice Act. That means based on the government guidelines, these vacancies will be divided into different categories. Okay. Now, always remember, whenever you are applying through a category, whether it is OBC non-creamy layer or SC, ST, you need to have a valid certificate of the current year, otherwise you will be disqualified. Now, duration of training will be 1 year. Okay, those who have already undergone training or currently undergoing training, having 1 or more year experience are not eligible to apply. Either you have undergone training or you are currently undergoing training, you are not eligible to apply. Selection procedure will be based on the marks obtained in the qualifying examination. They will conduct an examination, your marks in that and your interview will define whether or not you get selected for this training. The final merit list would be prepared according to the categories. So category wise list will be there: general, SC, ST, OBC, PWD. Okay. Now, what is the selection procedure? Written test or computer based test will be conducted. It will be objective type, in which each question will have 4 options and it will have 2 hours duration and it will be divided into 2 parts. One is the professional knowledge test with 120 question. Professional knowledge means your discipline test, that is from electrical, mechanical, civil, whichever you belong to. The second part consists of supervisory aptitude test with 50 questions on vocab, verbal, quant, reasoning. Okay, that is the aptitude part will consist of 50 question. The technical will have 120 question. Now, since as you can see the number of questions are very high, that means the level of question will be easy to moderate. Now, what you have to do? You have to log into www.mhrdnats.gov.in. You have to click on find establishment. Okay, then those who have not enrolled, this is the case, you will have to click enroll. You will have to complete application form. Okay, then what you will have to do is you will be given an unique enrollment number. Okay, so just wait for at least 1 day for enrollment verification, after which you can move to the step 2. So if you have not enrolled yet, these are the steps that you need to follow. Okay, what about the step 2? Then you will click on login, establishment request menu, find establishment, you will upload resume, you will choose establishment name, and you will type Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery, because these are the vacancies from Kochi. And then you will click on apply. Okay, you will click on apply. So the starting date of application is 5th of July and it will end on 20th July. So beta jaldi se apply kar dijiye. You have to apply very quickly, and the last date will be 25. Okay, last date will be 25. So 20th is what? The last date for enrollment in the portal. That is creating your login ID in the portal. The last date is 20th. After that, you still have 5 days to apply for that particular opening. So make sure that you enroll on the BPCL website immediately, though you may apply for the job later on as well. So my friends, that is all from my side, and I am starting a new course on Unacademy Plus. That is a comprehensive course on machines. If you want to learn machines from me, just download the Unacademy app, join Unacademy using the code AnkitESE. This course will have around 170 hours of content along with 1000 questions in the form of daily assignment, 8 to 10 tests in the form of weekly quiz. All your doubts will also be solved. Okay. And based on the student demand, we have not increased the price of the subscription yet. So you can still join using the code AnkitESE, get maximum discount and come under my personal guidance. Or beta, the biggest offer that we are running right now is that if you join now, you will get 2 months of extra on 1 year, 4 months extra on 2 years, along with free subscription of competitive programming. For 1 year's subscription, you will get 3 months free of competitive programming. For 2 years, you will get 6 months free. Now, what is competitive programming? Here you learn the fundamentals of programming so that you can do well in your campus placement. Okay. Now, my dear, this is my Telegram channel where you should stay connected with me. Get to know about all the initiatives that are coming or will come in the near future and get all the lecture PDF. So, this is the Telegram channel. Type this link in your browser and then you will be redirected to Telegram app where you can join this. So thank you everyone. I hope you like the video. If you find yourself eligible for this job, make sure that you apply for it. But don't forget to share this video among all your friends. Subscribe to the channel and do press that bell icon so that you get notified. Till then, engineers, keep rocking. Let's crack it.